welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. Our today's topic is OA words. We are going to discuss about OA words. What happens when O and A they come together? What kind of sound do they make? Do they make a general O sound? Do they make a A sound? What do they make? So let's get started. So when O and A they come together, in this condition our O becomes long. It becomes long. We all now know what is the long sound of O. Whenever we are talking about the long sound of the vowel, we have to say its name. So what is the long sound of O? It is O. What is the short sound of O? We all know what is the short sound of O. It is O. O. But in this condition, it will not make the short sound. It will make the long sound. So when O and A they come together, it makes the sound of O. O. Say with me, what sound OA makes together? O. So let's get started. Ba. Now we can see we have a ba. O. I will underline it together. Ba. O. Bo. Ta. Bo. Ta. Boat. Ka. O. Go. Ta. Coat. Ga. O. Go. Ta. Goat. Here we are talking about boat, coat and goat. Let's take a look at another combination where O and A are coming together. R, O, ro, d, road. T, O, to, d, toad. L, O, lo, d, load. Road, toad, load. The very first time when we read, we try to join the sounds. But then later on, we try to join sounds using our silent voices. That means inside our minds, and try and say the word at once. Road, toad, load. Let's take a look at next one. Fluff. This is very important here. We have a blend. F and L. Fluff. Fluff, fluff, O, flow, T, float, R, O, roast, roast, T, O, toast, toast. Here the blend is F and L, fluff. When we say the word flag, we use the same blend. When we use the word flower, we use the same blend. Fluff, fluff. Similarly, here the blend is ST, stuff, stuff. When we are talking about stamp, stuff, stamp, stuff, stove, stuff, ove, stove. So ST and FL are the blends that we are using here. I hope this concept of OA digraph is clear to you, that when O and A they are together, we are not talking about OVA, OBA, OXA. We are saying when they are together, this is not together, this is not together, this is not together, this is together. When they are together, they make the sound of O. They make the sound of O. I hope you liked my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Let me know how you liked it, or if there is any topic that you would want me to share a video about. I will be more than happy to do so. See you guys soon. Happy learning. Bye-bye.